Stock market is the device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Alright guys, time for portfolio update. As you probably know, every month we give you update on our portfolio if we do any buy or sell, and then we give you the portfolio performance update. If you are new in this channel, just a quick note. We do not pitch any big ideas like other YouTubers, because we do not like to give you any fake promise. Rather, we talk about what we do in our own portfolio. We show you our portfolio transaction and share our portfolio transparently. Yes, here we are talking about real money, real portfolio. This is the first time in India you are seeing a live portfolio update. Not only that, this portfolio remains online accessible all the time. You can track our performance any day, anytime. The link to access our portfolio is in the description box. We maintain complete transparency because we believe that you deserve this. Let us waste no time. Directly dive in. Before we start, let us set the table. First trading day of every month, we are buying one stock. After we buy a stock, the following month we give you update. In November 1st, we bought Divis Lab, 8 units at an average price of 5,214 rupees. This is the second time in this year we are buying Divis Lab. We bought Divis Lab on March 1st at an average price of 4,077 rupees. There are some changes in our portfolio sheet. The way we are arranging the data. In the first sheet, you see the summary and details of the position and also the performance. And in the next sheet, which is named as transaction, you will see the dates and the unit purchased along with the price. Now let us have a look on the portfolio, how it is doing so far. There are a total of 10 stocks in our portfolio. You can see the names here. Just not the stock names, you can also see the purchase price and their allocation. You can see that out of 10, 9 stocks are in positive and only one stock is at negative. PI Industries. Guys, this is a long-term portfolio. The price fluctuation really doesn't matter. In this portfolio, the highest change is in Asian Paint, which is up by 36%. And the lower is in the PI Industries. The share is down by 6%. We do not intend to touch any of this position and sit tight with all the stocks for a long time. Guys, there are important business news came by last month. For example, on Relaxo, there are some news that the Merciless sold it, and is it a good time to sell? The answer is very simple. Do not touch the position. That's what we did. Also, there are some news on Asian Paint related to insider trading. The share price has fallen that day. Remember, there are many questions we have received. Is it a good time to buy or add some more? What we did? Simple. Do nothing. We ignore the news and keep ourselves calm. Doesn't sound very exciting, right? Well, we are trying to stay patient. It is simple but not easy. Let us see how things goes in future. Now let us talk about the performance of this portfolio. Since this is a portfolio of mostly large cap stock, we had set Nifty 50 as our benchmark. Instead of those positions we bought, if you would have put the same money on the same date on the Nifty 50, how much return would have generated? That is the benchmark performance. If you see, the benchmark has generated about 13.3% return so far. In the same time, our portfolio has generated 11% return. That means we have underperformed by 2.2% so far. Means the alpha is negative 2.2. Are we concerned? Of course not. Alpha of a portfolio must be measured in a complete market cycle, which include a bear and a bull market. So we can understand that it's too early to measure alpha, right? If you want to know how to calculate alpha of your own portfolio, we have made a separate video on this topic. The link is in the description box. Now, just not the risk. We must take a look at the volatility of the portfolio. The volatility of any portfolio is measured by beta. If the beta is more than 1, that means our portfolio is more volatile than Nifty 50. At present, our portfolio beta is 0.8. If you have been following our portfolio update, you can notice that the beta is slowly decreasing. With time, we expect beta to come even lower. Many of you think that the few stock in the portfolio will make the portfolio very volatile. Now you know that that's not the case. Next, let us look at the allocation. Currently, top 3 allocations are Divis Lab 14%, Asian Paint 12.5%, Pidilite 11%. This number will keep changing when we'll add more money. And we will give you an update next month. We like to buy and hold and ignore news as much as we can and silently create wealth. This is a live show. We are creating wealth in front of you. This is a long-term story. This video you have just watched It is an episode of the live show of wealth creation. To understand our thought process and to stay connected with other long-term investors, you may join in our Telegram group. We have more than 1200 channel members right now who has same mentality that we have. If you want to be a part of them, feel free to join. It is free and it will remain free forever. That is a promise. With this, let us wind up our video here. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.